we are starting a new series of question and answers. So all our members who have subscribed to this channel and who are yet to subscribe, you are welcome to post your question in the comments below, and we will create a video and post it on the YouTube. So today I am going to answer one of the questions which has come yesterday, and the question is why do we get in our life what we do not want? Many unpleasant things happen to us, we don't want, but why are we creating something which we do not want? A very specific question, and it is based on the science. So we have to understand the science of manifestation. See, there is a fundamental law. Whatever we appreciate will come to us. It's a natural law. We attract something by appreciating. And the opposite of that is also true. Whatever we criticize will go away from us. So if you criticize the person will go away from you. If you criticize love, love will go away from you. If you criticize money, money will go away from you. If you criticize richness, richness will go away from you. It's a natural law. Whatever you criticize will go away from you. Okay, now coming to the question. Why do we manifest something that we don't want? Okay, the answer is unconsciously we are following the law but in a wrong manner. You see, somebody has a habit of criticizing, then whatever aspect is being criticized, that will go away from that person. And you want something, but you are consciously not appreciating that aspect of your life. Probably that will not manifest. So all these things, manifestation aspect, the majority of that is decided by our subconscious mind. So subconsciously what is predominant in your system, that is what your mind will manifest. So the most important aspect of life is becoming aware of our subconscious desires, subconscious wants, subconscious needs, and becoming conscious of subconscious. That is the art of meditation. That is where the awareness development comes into picture. The more and more conscious living happens, then we will not manifest something that we don't want, and we will consciously manifest only that what we want. So come back to the law of life. Appreciate consciously, openly, honestly, verbally, whatever you want. Go on appreciating. And you will see automatically Shabda Brahma, the power of the word start functioning, and you will manifest what you want. Criticize something that you don't want and it will go away. But be very conscious about what you are doing, and you will be in the driver's seat. You will be able to manifest what you want, and you will not manifest what you don't want. Hope you understood this law. Thank you very much.
Subscribe to this channel for more learnings from Guruji Prem Nilmal. Press the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends on social media. Post your queries below and we will respond. Thank you.